In today's video, we'll show you how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. You'll be amazed how quickly you can fix the issue of nearby people not showing on Telegram with these steps. Step 1. Press and hold the Telegram app icon on your home screen or app drawer. This will bring up a menu. Tap on App Info. Step 2. In the App Info menu, tap on Force Stop to close the app completely. Now tap on Storage and Cache. Here you'll see two options. First, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing issues. Then tap Clear Storage to reset the app's data. Once that's done, open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Telegram in the search bar. If you see an update button, tap on it to make sure your app is running the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. After updating, open the Telegram app again. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Now tap on People Nearby. If it's not showing, you'll need to allow location access. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Make sure to allow it, as Telegram needs your location to show people nearby. Once you've done that, the Nearby People feature should start working as expected. If you like this tutorial, then you will also like these videos that are coming up right now on the screen and in the description below.